Hi everyone, my name is Guang. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am made another dance tutorial today, and it's kind of tricky, but I try to break it down step by step. It's BoA. This song's called Valenti, Valentine, whatever you call it, but I call it Valenti. So this song's a little bit tricky, to be honest. There was no dance tutorial made for this, so I decided, hey, you know what? I'll make one. So yeah, and here I am making one tutorial. Yay! So couple updates. I've been so busy lately. I'm hopefully trying to make a vlog when it happens. Halloween vlog is still coming out, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully I'll be prepared like more stuff. Next month is gonna be so busy, so that's a good thing because I can actually film some stuff. And pretty much it. Yeah. So I hope you have fun with this dance tutorial because it is pretty tricky, TBH. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to me so you can follow me on my YouTube journey. Don't give up. This dance, when you break it parts like bit by bit, it's actually kind of sort of easy. So yeah, I wish you luck and I hope this video helps you out. So yeah, make every day a good day. See you guys in the next video. Be blue to yourself. Bye. Alright, so we are now gonna start this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you do, so you go, so you kick with your right and put it back down and bend down. So the feet goes like, that's it. So, so while you kick, your hands cross over your chest like this, and so at the same time, so it goes 1 and 2. So after the 2, your hands go down, like straight down, so it goes boom, boom. So boom, boom. So you go in, out, down. Okay, so in, out, down. Then when you come up, like here, right around here, your arms swing outward, outward, and it goes into your your hips right here. So it goes like this. So it goes 1, ta, ta, ta. Yeah, da, 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 da. So yeah, so when you do this, your right foot sticks out in front of you. So altogether, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4. So after this, you shimmy up. So your hands kind of face out, your palms facing out, and you're going up slowly like this for like 4 counts. And then while you do this, you kind of shimmy. So like your right foot is still forward and it's twisting like to the right, and along with your hips going towards it. So yeah, you're pretty much shimmy. So you're like, yeah, it's weird. So altogether, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you shimmy for 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. So there's your first 8. So altogether again, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after that, okay, perfect. So from here, So after your right foot goes stepping towards your right, and you're kind of on your, pretty much like kind of on your tippy toes, I think. And your hands go cross again, it in, and then it goes out. So from here it goes boom, boom. So yeah, boom, boom, hold. You hold it for like 1 beat, I think. So da 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 da. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yeah, 1 and 1, 2. Okay, yeah, I was right. So you hold it for like a little while, and then you jump. It's like a small jump though. It's like this. So when you jump, your right foot goes in front of your left foot. Sorry, your left foot goes in front of your right. So it's crossing over. So your left is right here, your right is right here in the back, and you're still doing this. And then after that, you turn. So yeah, you turn to your right. So all together is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after you spin around, this is kind of a tricky part. This is kind of a little bit tricky part because I filmed this so many times and I always messed up. So you go, so you're right, so it's like palms like this. So you go, so your right hand goes forward and your left hand goes back. So yeah, so after the spin, it's like right to it. So boom, boom. See? So yeah, so your right is forward, your left is back, and then you switch it. So your left goes forward and your right goes back. So it's like boom, boom. After the boom, boom, you take your step back with your right, and then it stays here, and you walk with your right. So you go right, like you're walking forward with your right. Sorry, my bad. So you go boom, boom. Boom, boom. Or does it go down? Yeah, okay, I was right. Sorry. So after you take your step with your left forward, your hand goes down apparently. Hopefully I did it right. So all together will be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, perfect. Those are your first 2 8s. Woo! All right, moving on. So your third set of 8. So your hands goes up. I don't know which way BoA does it. I did it right over left. So it's like your right is like forward and your left is back. I think it's like that, or I don't know, she puts it up like this, or like this. I think it's crisscross like this. So when she puts it up like this, your right foot comes out. So at the same time, so you go 1. So after 1 goes da, 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 da. Okay, yeah, I was right. So after this, your right foot steps in, your arms go cover, kind of like cover your face like this, with your elbows in, and then you go, and then your elbow goes out. So from there it goes bum, bum, bum. Yep, bum, bum, bum. So after ba, 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 your left foot goes to the left, and this stays to the right like this, and your right hand kind of like goes around like this in a fist. I don't know, it's weird. So it's like this. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, it's weird. It's kind of like, swipe your face, wipe your face, wipe in front of your face. Yeah, so all together it's da, 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 da. After this, you face your right and then you kick with your left while your right is like helping you balance. So you go boom, like a small kick. It's not like a big kick, it's a small kick. So when you kick, your arms go like boom. So it goes in. For me, naturally, your right hand is on top and your left hand is on, and your left arm is bottom. So it goes boom. So yeah, all together it's ba da 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 da. So yeah, you bring it back in after you kick. Your arms are on your side, and then you kind of shimmy. So like you shimmy while your arms are still on your side like this. And while you shimmy, it's kind of weird. Your left leg is kind of pivoting and your right leg goes out. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you go out, 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 out. It's weird, it's weird, right? So all together it's ba da 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 da. Okay, so that is your other set of 8. Sorry, my bad, not your second. Your third set of 8s, that's what it's called. Oh my gosh, sorry. So after the shimmy, this is a little bit tricky. So remember when the second 8s, you go right, left. This time it's your left arm forward, your right hand back. So it's opposite. You go boom, 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 boom. Yep, so left, right. But when your right goes forward, your right foot automatically goes back. So it goes boom, boom. And after that, it's a little bit weird. So it goes boom, boom, boom. So your right foot goes, you step your right foot up forward. I was gonna say out, sorry about that. Forward, and then your left leg, kind of like your tippy toe in, out like this, and your hands are like goes up. I don't know how to explain what this is, like your wings. I don't know what they are. So like all together it's ba 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 ba. So it's kind of like light. So when this goes up, when your arms go up, your left foot goes in, like boom. And then maintain your balance. You kick again. You kind of like kick again, like the same thing like how it was before. So it goes boom. And then, yeah, so from there it's ba 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 ba. Yeah, so it goes out after you kick, but then like I saw it on like I think like a dance video. Right hand on your right shoulder, left arm goes across like this, and then yeah. So you're facing your right while you're doing it, and then you turn to your left. So you go like this. Yeah. So right hand on shoulder, left across out, spin, and it goes my dream, and it goes ba ba ba, and then you clap. Ba, ba. I think it's like 3 or 4 times. So yeah. So from there it goes da 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 pa 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 pa. Yep. So that is the whole chorus. Yes. So now you put it all together. So all together is right here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to keep balance, sorry. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Sorry, I miscounted. I am so sorry. So ba 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 da 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 da. So let me do that one more time so to clarify, except I'm not gonna count. So da 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 da. Da 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 pa 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 pa. And that's the whole chorus. Woohoo!